channel. If you're new, once again, my name is Vivian. I do all kinds of videos on fashion, fashion hauls, beauty tutorials, all kinds of try-on videos, vlogs, all sorts of fun things. So if you're interested in all things beauty, lifestyle, and fashion, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss out on my future videos. Okay, so today I'm going to do this video a little bit differently, so let me know, you guys that are faithful viewers, how you like it in comparison to how I've been doing my other ones. I'm probably going to go back to doing it the other way, but I just kind of want to get your input and I don't want to bore you guys, so let's spice things up a little bit, make things a little bit different. So let me know what you think, and as always at the end of the video I will let you know what I decided to keep and what I paid for each item. Okay, before we start, I am going to be trying everything on. You will see that. Let me know and comment down below what you guys think of the items. I had a couple comments from people on the last videos that are like, what, you that looked really great on you, I can't believe you kept that. Or if I was your stylist, I'd be very pissed off because you're not keeping anything and they look good. And just to reiterate, I am trying to be a little pickier as to what I keep. I have a lot of clothing. I'm very blessed. I have everything I need. I'm just trying to be a little bit more money conscious, and that's it. So I have to love the item, or I have to need the item, or really have been wanting the item in order to keep it. So it could look great on me, the price could be decent, but I decided to send it back. Okay, but before we get started, let me just go ahead and read the note from oh my gosh, it's not, I haven't read this yet. This is not from Michelle, this is Amanda, so a completely different stylist. I'm freaking out right now. Let's see what it says. Hi Vivian, happy fix day. I had so much fun styling you today. I can't wait to see what's inside. I started with the Burgundy skinny pants by 41 Hawthorne that are so fun for fall. Pair them with this dark gray and black striped pullover sweater by 41 Hawthorne, inspired by the striped pieces on your Pinterest board. So Amanda definitely checked out my board. That's great. Pair of black booties to create a cute casual look you can wear anywhere. The olive green camo printed cardigan by Sanctuary is a great go-to for layering. Pop it on over this black Drape top by Layla Jade and these boyfriend jeans by Cut from the Cloth for a casual look. I hope you feel fabulous and everything. Vivian, let me know what you think. XO Amanda. Hopefully Michelle's just on vacation. I don't know. They didn't mention it. They didn't send me an email. They didn't let me know. I don't think Amanda did a bad job though, so you guys can let me know though down below in the comments. And of course, if you guys are new to Stitch Fix, I will leave my referral link below where it really goes into a lot of detail. What does it cost? How often you can get it? All those sorts of things. It's super easy, super fun. You guys should definitely give it a try. And again, my referral link is down below. So let's go. Hey guys, so this time I'm going to do this a little bit different. I am going to just be talking about the item as I'm wearing it. So let me know again down below if you guys like this format, or if you'd rather me go back to the other way where I kind of like try everything on while I'm sitting down and kind of explaining my thoughts, etc. So just a little tweak. Okay, so first off is this top. It's a faux top. I don't know if you guys can see with black, it's a little bit hard to tell, but this is attached. And then it's kind of got like a faux opening right here. 3/4 sleeves, super soft. And what is this? Layla Jade Dorsey front drape knit top in black, size medium, and this top is $54. So I don't think the price is horrible. Again, for what it is, I think it'd be a great like all-purpose top. I could definitely wear this to work. I could wear it out with just a simple pair of jeans like this. I think it's very cute. I think it'd be super versatile, not too low cut, so I love that. And again, it's all attached in here and down in here. So this is all like one piece. So I really like it. I think it's cute. It's pretty flattering, I think. You know, I think it's a great like all-purpose little top, and again, it's super soft. So let me know what you guys think. It has a little, you guys can see right there, maybe right there, a little bit of ribbing, but very subtle, not much. So I do like it. I'm gonna give this one a thumbs up so far for Amanda. Okay, next up are the jeans that I'm wearing. These are the Cut from the Cloth boyfriend jeans. For being a boyfriend jean, they are not too baggy. They're not too much loose fit. They're not super high rise as you can see, but they are still very comfortable. No distressing. I think they look good. I think the fit is good. I don't know that I necessarily need these right now. These would have been better like maybe at the beginning of summer. I don't know, let me know you guys' thoughts on those, but they are very comfortable. The price, these are on indigo color, 4P for petite, and they are $88. So price is okay, under 100 bucks. Again, I've always said under $100 jeans, I think you can't go wrong. Like I said, they're super comfortable, but I think the fit is great. The color's good. Again, I think you could wear them with a lot of different things, but I think they're more of a summer jean in my opinion. Let me know what you guys think. You guys all know I'm a sucker for camo, and this is no exception. I do think though that it's a little bit big. This is the Sanctuary Fitsy Camel Print Cardigan in olive, size medium. It's $98. I think the price is a little bit much. I think for this type of cardigan, maybe 50, 60 bucks is probably my max. This will probably go back. So for those two reasons, sizing and price. I think you could probably roll the sleeves up and be okay. I don't know, I just think it's just a teeny bit big on me. I, however, do like that it does cover the butt area, so you definitely could wear this with some leggings. I think it would be really cute. There's no buttons or anything on it, so it's just going to be just like a kind of a straight fit. And here it is. I just threw on a cami underneath. And there are just like some small little pockets right here. So that's kind of nice. You can just like tuck your hands in. Super, super, super comfy. Super soft, not itchy, scratchy, whatever. The color is beautiful. I think it's a beautiful camel print. I just think it's a hint big and it's a little bit too expensive, but I think it's super cute. Okay, these are the 41 Hawthorne Zoey ankle zip skinny pant in burgundy, size 4 for $78. So the price is okay. These are faux pockets right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. This is real, but these are not. These are definitely a beautiful color for fall. Faux pockets in the back. I don't know if you guys can see that right there. Definitely tight fit. They kind of feel like a legging to me. Super comfortable though, super soft. I don't know if these are quite my style. The bottom has a really nice detail there with a zipper at the ankle, so that's cute. They don't look necessarily like a legging until you put them on. They look more like a jean type of pant, but like I said, super soft, super comfortable. You could wear it with a little belt. I think you could wear it with a sweater. I don't know. What do you guys think? I think they're cute, and the price isn't too bad. And I'm not one usually for wearing like colored pants so much. I've got, you know, a couple pair like brown, I've got olive, that sort of thing, obviously black, but I don't really have anything this color, and mostly those are denim type pants, not anything like this where it's like a knit legging. They're a little bit stretchy, not huge, but just a little bit stretchy. So I don't know, let me know what you guys think about these. Okay, so last up is this like boat neck sweater. This is the 41 Hawthorne Carina boat neck cotton blend sweater, dark gray, size medium, and $54. I think the size is fine. I like having a little bit of room in these kinds of sweaters, so small I think would have been too small. I do like the neck. It's a boat neck, but it's not super wide, so I think it's comfortable and flattering. I do like it. I like the print. I normally don't like wearing horizontal striped sweaters. This one's not bad though. It's kind of growing on me. Pretty soft too. I mean, I like it. It's comfortable. It's kind of got a little opening here on each side, so that's kind of flattering, gives you a little bit of room. I think it would go fine with these pants. I like the detail right here. So just, you know, kind of a casual everyday type sweater. Could definitely wear this to work. You could wear it out or whatever. Is it just the lighting, or I feel like there's like a mark right here or something. I don't know, maybe it's just me. I'll have to check that out later, but I don't know, very soft, casual. I think it could be, you know, dressed up a little bit if you wanted it to be. So I like it. Do I absolutely need it? Probably not, but could I use it? I think so. So let me know what you guys think about this. Okay guys, that was everything in my fix for this month. My subtotal, $372. So this was a bit of a high one. If I buy everything, $93 discount, my total would be $279, which isn't horrible. I can tell you right now, I will not be buying everything in this fix. Anyway, so don't forget, you guys, leave me a comment below. Let me know, number one, if you like this format while I'm talking and trying things on at the same time, or if you'd rather have me do it the old way, or if you want me to mix it up. Either way is fine with me, so just let me know in the comments. And of course, don't forget to hit subscribe if you haven't already so you don't miss out on my future videos. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time. Bye!